These are my new glasses. Pretty sick, right? Look. Eesh. Got the... You know, oh, hold on. Actually, hold up. Ah. Stupid. That's terrible stance. It's so crazy. Let me just tell you what's going on right now. So me and Mondo got that fresh cut, man. Anyway, so we woke up and we went to go get a haircut for him because he needed a haircut. We were driving and it was raining like all day today since the morning, like bad. And so then we was driving, I had to put gas. So when I went to go put gas, it started like looking like it was snowing and I was like, bruh, is it snowing? Bruh, oh my god, it was snowing, okay? So whatever. Then we ended up going to the haircut place. It was raining so hard. Then, during the haircut, it was snowing so hard. Literally. I just wanted to show you guys, this is a monumental moment, okay? I've never seen snow like this. Only when I went to Colorado once. And that was it. From the sky. That was my first time. Which was literally like last year. Anyways, but look, bruh. Bruh, look. Let me go show y'all. Ready. Literally snowing. Oh, not that patch of green in the bottom. Literally snowing. It's crazy. Anyways, bro, that's just so crazy because I've never seen snow like that, bro. It's just amazing. Amazing. Anyways, I wanted to share this monumental moment, so this may be mixed with other vlog type stuff. It's February 25th, just so you guys know.
Many months later.
Alright guys, so I know I have not posted in what, like 3 weeks? 3 weeks, okay? We'll say like almost a month, okay? And I don't want to make it a month, so I'm gonna be posting actually today I'm gonna be editing this, recording this, and posting it, okay? All in one day. So we gonna see how that goes, to be honest with you. It's like 12 right now. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna do a bunch of random stuff, but I was gonna do another video 2 weeks ago about something that I've been trying to work on, not work on, but like get. And yeah, but that's gonna be next video, and I'll explain why that's next video and not, you know, sooner. But let me show you, let me give you a little hint, This is the hint, guys. This is the hint, okay? Anyways, that's all you guys can see. No. Please. It's because my sister, she loved it before, so now it's his turn to love it. He loves to cuddle. He loves to cuddle all the time.
Help me.
No, bud.
Ah!
Grab the snack. His nose scratching the face. Oh, hell no.
Oh, hell no.
Oh, my. You did that.
No, I didn't.
Now my camera gonna break, bruh. Haven't gotten a haircut, bro. Ooh. There's been reasons. I really want to change my hairstyle. I don't know what to change it to though. This is what it looked like. Alright guys, so I was editing my video and I thought it was a very short video. It's about like 6 minutes. So I was like, bruh, let me do something else. Let me pop some. Why? I don't understand why my sweater is soaked. Basically, what I want to do for this next part of the video is I want to play a scary game, okay? I've played Granny and I think Granny 2, and I think that's the only scary games I've played. I want to play another scary game that I find on my phone. So the game that I chose, that I saw, I just searched up scary games, and it's this one right here. My phone's kind of dirty, but it's The Baby in Yellow. I don't know what it is, but it says, like, in the little picture, it says The Baby in Yellow bedtime stories. So that sounds kind of creepy, and I was like, bruh, I should play it. It looks scary, it looks weird, it looks creepy. This baby looks freaking weird, bro. Yeah, I'm home alone actually too, so it's gonna be scary. I don't have LED lights, so on the TV, as you guys can see right here, I put red LED light, so it makes it kind of spooky, and then my ring light in front, like, very dim. Alright guys, so I put on headphones. They're noise canceling. I don't know if I'm screaming or not. They're noise canceling. Good thing nobody is home, because they finna be like, bro, why you screaming so damn much? Alright guys, so here I am. What are we about to see today? The Baby in Yellow. Y'all see that? Bro, what the hell's this ad, bro? Alright, so first off, this is scary. Hella scary. Alright, so this is the beginning of it. It says, Night 1. The sitter, it's time for bed. The child. Is that why you... bruh, I can't read. The child, is that what you think? Okay. What do I do? Bruh, they didn't even give me no damn instructions. What the hell? Okay, so I know I move with this little stick right here. I'm in the bathroom. Let's go get a room tour, guys. Welcome to my crib. This the bathroom right here. Got me a little dog right here, some towels, a toilet, big ass space over here for no reason, bruh. Here's a mirror. Should I do Bloody Mary? Nah, bruh, stop. I don't want to do that. It's scary. Anyways, who's freaking underwear? That's disgusting. Alright, whatever. Close the door. So that's the bathroom. I believe this is the outside. Oh shit, it's a hotel. Alright, cool. I mean, not a hotel, an apartment. Walk over here. A little toy box right here. Here's the TV. I don't know why it's so damn close. Here's a dog. Bookcase. I guess here's the baby. Why are you looking at me like that, bruh? Big ass eyes. Freaking big ol' eyes. Pick a baby? What the hell? Can I throw him or something? Oh my god! I'm so sorry, bruh. Okay, I guess I picked him up. Let's take him somewhere. Alright, but I'm not done with the house tour, bro. Go sit your ass back down. Alright, cool. Don't be staring at me like that with your ugly ass. Anyways, I don't know what the hell this is. I think this is like for ashes or something. To the kitchen. Small ass kitchen, but it's alright. Anything to eat? Yeesh. We got the... oh, shoot. I don't want no cheese, bro. Throw that cheese out of here. Alright, anyways, here is... guess a loaf of bread, but that's the kitchen. Let's go upstairs, bruh, cause I haven't been upstairs. Damn, for an apartment, this is hella sick. Okay, this is locked, I guess. This is open. Laundry room. Ooh, requires a key. Am I supposed to like escape or something, bruh? This is weird. There's some footprints on the wall. I guess decoration. I don't know. I mean, what's over here? I guess it's that little kid's room or something. Ugh! What the hell? Oh, damn. I guess I could squat. Alright, but I don't understand what to do. Oh, duh! If you read the top corner, Night 1, feed the baby, get the bottle from the fridge. Duh! I don't understand how this is scary. Maybe because he's ugly as hell. Come over here. Golly, bruh. Put your ass right there. Bottle from the fridge. Pick up. Feed. Here you go, son. Ugh. Why he smile like that? Why he look like that? Ugh. I think he liked me or something, bruh. Can I put him in the oven? Hold up. Give me a sec. Can I throw him in there? Oh! Oh! Should I close it, bruh? Oh! Oh! Oh my god, he's cooking! Oh! What the hell just happened? Oh my god! He really exploded! Okay, hold up. Oh shit, I keep dropping him. I don't know what to do. Where do I change him, bro? Oh, it's because I'm squatted. Am I squatted? Oh, I'm squatted. Oh, maybe in the bathroom. Oh, is this where the underwear was? Can I pick up? Oh shit. Oh, duh, you're dumb. Cool. Get the nappy. Is it this freaking underwear right here? Oh yeah, guys, I'm freaking good. What the hell happened to the baby? Where'd he go? Oh, hell nah. I don't want to deal with this. I'm scared. Is he on the floor? Why is he over there? Ain't nobody put him there, bruh. Nobody put you there. Why did you leave? Freaking idiot. Alright, get the hell out of here with your ugly ass smile. Here, watch some TV. Oh, shit. Oh, let me see if I put him inside of the toaster. I mean, in the freaking oven again, bro. Because he's scary. Oh, he's standing up. Bye, Felicia. Oh! Why does he laugh? I don't understand why he laughs when I freaking explode him, bro. He's a psychopath. He is a psychopath. He going to bed. Oh, my God. How do I put him to bed? Sorry guys, I'm like tripping now. I'm thinking I'm hearing stuff. This baby's scary. This game is scary, and I'm over here tripping. That's just my mom. She came back. All right, back to the game. Look at how he's staring at me, bruh. Look at how he's staring at me. He's supposed to go to sleep. Okay, it says to read him a bedtime story. I believe it's this. Do I throw it at him? Oh. I don't understand. What are these like things glowing right here? Look. Freaks. Oh. A soul trapped by the baby in yellow has been set free? The hell does that mean? What do I do? I don't understand. Find the storybook and sit. Oh, I have to sit down. Duh. Alright, I don't understand what to do. I can't. Alright, I'm tired of this baby looking at me. I'm finna leave. Let me go find, because I seen those dogs everywhere. Look, there's this one. Free soul. I don't know what that means. Hide. Big head mode unlocked. You can access secrets in the pause menu. Pause menu. I'm in the, oh, right here. Big head mode, ultra low definition. That gave me no secrets, but whatever. Key. Oh, but bruh, right here. Oh, I found a key. Ha ha ha. Ooh. All right, buddy. What are we doing here? How do I get up? How do I get up? Ooh. What the hell happened? It switched to dark. No, they said never look back. What the hell's all this? Oh, looks like my cat Cucumber. Look, it looks like Cucumber. Meow, 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 meow. Look closer. Am I getting hypnotized? What in the hell? I think I just got abducted by aliens right now. Oh, it's the paws. Oh, it's the kitty cat, bro. The cats that I were collecting. Oh, it's purring. Meow, 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 meow. The cat's whispering at me. The black cat approaches. I don't understand what that means. The black cat. Now the black cat disappeared. I don't get it. I don't get it. Oh, I see. I don't know what that does, but we'll figure. Oh! What the hell? Why does it look like that? Did I do something? What the hell? What's going on here? Is the baby still in here? Ah! Looking like, why he look like that? How do I grab him? Look, it's weird. Did this do it to you too? Where it looks like that? Or am I tripping?
It's probably just glitching.
Oh, yeah, okay, great. Yeah, it was, I think. Oh.
If not, it was something going on.
No, it's the thing. Look, if I do this, he has a big head. Look, his head is getting big. If I do this, it's the, like, the background, how it looks. Alright, we don't want none of that, because... Can I not throw him in there? Throw him in. Oh, oh, he's in there. He's in. He's in. Close. Ha! Oh, his head's bopping up in there. Why is he laughing? Why are he laughing at me like that? How is he alive? I don't understand. I really don't. Shut your ass up, Keisha. Throw him downstairs. Yeesh. Okay, bruh. Oh my god. Okay, I need to give him his damn bottle because he bugging. Again, because I accidentally got out of the game. Now I'm playing this damn bug. Across the shore, yeah.
Across the shore, in distant lands.
Why does it sound like
with
that?
dark stars.
Yeah. Nobody cares. Skip. I think that was a clue for why he... Oh, he sleeps, bruh. This shit out of... Leave the door. Leave and close the door. Why do I got this damn sheet? Bah. Wait for parents and watch TV on the sofa. Bruh, call me A1 freaking babysitter. How do I watch TV? How do I... Oh. Sit on the couch. Girl, what am I watching? Oh my god. Settle, baby. What do I do with him, bruh? He fell again. That's what that noise was. But where the hell is he? How did he pass me, bro? Was I literally not... Where the hell is he at? Bruh, what you doing down here, buddy? Oh my god, you bugging with your ugly ass. Why he looking at me? Get the hell out of here. There. Is he not in bed? Oh my god. Get the hell out of here. Get the hell up, bro. Close the door. Don't get your ass out no more. But I ain't even watching TV. Bruh, please verify your age. I am younger than 16. Why, something scary gonna pop out or what? Alright, guys. So I'm on night 2. I guess I beat the first night. And, yeah, so I'm on night 2, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. If you guys do want a part 2, comment down below and I will do night 2 and see how it goes. But from so far, what I've heard is he becomes a demon. So yeah, but if you do want to see me do that, comment down below and I will definitely do part 2. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to comment if you guys do want part 2 or if you want me to play any other games. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share with family, friends, sister, brother, dog, dad, mom, dad, everybody you already know. Anyways, have a great rest of your night and I shall see you next week. Did you know that before toilet paper was invented, Americans used to use corn cobs to wipe their, you know? If you didn't, now you do.